Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Max, wake up! Today is the day!
What day?
The shelter, Max. We bring the money today!
Oh, I remember! Let's go!
Mom, can we go now, please?
Lily, eat first.
Mom, I'm not hungry.
Eat. The shelter opens at 9. That envelope is very important.
I know. It's for the puppies, for their medicine and food. I made a card for the shelter. Look, I drew 6 happy dogs.
That's beautiful, Max. You two are very kind children.
Thank you!
Thank you!
We're here.
I can hear them!
Let's go in.
Hello! Welcome to Happy Paws Animal Shelter. My name is Sandra. How can I help you? We are Lily and Max. We collected money at our school fair.
We want to give it to the shelter.
Oh my goodness. Come in, come in!
What does forever home mean?
Them and keeps them for their whole life. Not just for a little while, forever.
Oh, that sounds really nice.
This is so amazing.
This is Biscuit. He arrived last week. A family found him on the street.
He's so cute.
Who is this?
This is Rosie. She is 10 years old. That is quite old for a big dog. She has been here for 8 months.
8 months? That is a long time.
Yes, people usually want young dogs, puppies. They are cute and playful. But Rosie, people see that she is old and they walk past her. Nobody has chosen her yet. $140. This is incredible. This will buy medicine for 2 months, plus extra food and new blankets. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lily and Max, for helping the animals of Happy Paws Shelter. You are real heroes. Lily, are you okay? You are very quiet.
Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What happens to dogs that nobody chooses? Do they stay in the shelter forever?
The shelter tries very hard to find homes for all the dogs.
But it is not always easy, especially for older dogs. There was a dog there. Her name is Rosie. She is 10 years old. She has been there for 8 months. She pressed her nose against my hand, Mom. And her eyes were so calm and kind.
Lily,
I know we can't. I know you'll say no. We don't have a big yard. Dad works late. I have school. I know all the reasons. Why Rosie needs us. Why we need Rosie. Rosie is old. Old dogs are calm. They don't jump on furniture or chew shoes. Rosie is gentle. Sandra said so. She will not bite or bark too much at night. I will walk Rosie every morning before school. This will also help me wake up. Max will help on weekends. Rosie does not need much space. She moves slowly. Our apartment is enough. Rosie needs us. We can be her forever home. Nobody else will choose her. If we don't, who will?
You made this list last night
Yes,
instead of sleeping?
I tried to sleep, but I kept thinking about her.
Mm-hmm. Lily, adopting a dog is a big responsibility. Old dogs also need special food. Sometimes they need more visits to the doctor. Do you understand that?
Yes, I will save my pocket money, and I will do extra chores.
Every day? Not just for 1 week?
Every day, I promise.
I need to talk to your father.
Okay.
I'm home, everyone. Got off work early. Your mom showed me your list. Point number 7, if we don't, who will? That is a very good question, Lily. Your mom and I talked for a long time. We thought about the space, about the cost, about the extra work.
Dad,
We're going to get Rosie.
Really? Really?
Really, really.
Yay! I knew it! I love you, Dad.
I love you too, Lily.
You're the best.
So are you, sweetie.
Max! Max!
What happened?
They said yes!
Sandra, we're back.
I know, and I have good news. Rosie has been extra calm today.
Like she knows?
Maybe. Dogs feel things.
Rosie. Hi, Rosie. I'm back.
She remembers you. Her tail is moving.
Not fast, but it's moving.
She's very calm.
She's perfect.
Here are Rosie's things.
Thank you so much.
Look, Rosie, your favorite toy.
I'm your family now. We are your forever home.